Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to talk about OBS Studio, one of the most powerful screen recording and live streaming software. One of the best things about OBS is that it is free. Other powerful screen recording software like Camtasia will charge you a hefty price for the same. The only drawback I can think of is that you can't edit the videos you record inside OBS Studios. You will have to export them and edit them in another app. In this video, I'm only going to show you how to easily record your screen with OBS Studios. So like and subscribe so you don't miss out on other videos on how to use OBS for streaming and other tutorials. So first, to use OBS Studios, you will go to their website, obsproject.com. I will be dropping a link down in the description section, and from the home page you select your operating system, Windows, Mac, or Linux. Once you click on it, it starts downloading. After downloading is complete, hit install. Once it is done installing, open it. At first, the interface looks a little bit intimidating, but after using it for a while you get the hang of it. There are several ways in which you can record your PC screen with OBS. But today I'm going to focus on the two major ways that you can record your screen. The first one is window capture. Window capture only records the source or sources that you have added, like your browser, DaVinci Resolve, Windows Explorer, or any other app you have opened on your system. With window capture, once you start recording and you move out of the source you added, it will continue recording, but won't show the other application you didn't add to the source. To use window capture, first you need to add a scene. OBS has already done that by default. You can add multiple scenes, but in this video, we won't get into that. Next is to add your source by clicking on this plus sign here and selecting window capture. You can either rename it or leave it as window capture, then click OK. Next it will ask you to choose which of the windows you want to capture. You will then select what you want to capture. After that, click on Start Recording down here on the control panel, and like that, you can start recording a game you are playing or something in your browser. You can also add multiple sources to your recording like this. You can resize the different sources as you like, and it will record all of them. Once you are done recording, go back to OBS and hit Stop Recording. But this isn't very convenient. Later in this video I will show you how to set short keys for some of the controls. The second way you can record your screen is display capture. Display capture is simple. It records anything and everything that displays on your screen. You can jump from one app to another, and it records everything. I remember when I first opened OBS, I saw this kind of mirror loopy effect, and I immediately uninstalled the app. It was scary. So to add display capture, click on the plus sign and select display capture and leave the settings as it is, and hit OK. And like that, you can record your screen and the audio. By default, OBS recording outputs format is MKV, but the problem is that some video editing app like Adobe Premiere Pro does not support MKV file format. The good thing is that you can convert MKV to MP4 in OBS Studios by going to the File menu, select Remix Recordings, select the recording you want to convert to MP4, and then click Remix. It will convert all the MKV file to MP4. But if this method is too stressful, you can go to the settings to change the default outputs format to MP4. Once you select MP4, OBS will show you this warning.
Recording saved to MP4 or MOV will be unrecoverable if the file cannot be finalized.
And the last thing I want to show you in this video is how to set short keys for different controls. Go to Settings and select Hotkeys. From there, you can select a key or key combination for different controls. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.